box plot is a useful visualization when a result in terms of selected variables is available, and the impact of these variables on the samples shall be shown. We have already done a statistical test on the sample annotation called treatment, and now we shall set up the box plot. The first step is to define which data shall be used to draw the plot. You normally do one selection for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. You can use the axis data selection drop-downs in the Methods tab, or you can use the x and y axis data mouse tools. We'll use the drop-down option for the x-axis and the mouse tool for the y-axis. The three sample groups are separated well by this variable here. At the top, the levels of significance are presented. The levels show the significance for how well the variable separates the groups, and in the Options tab, different types of significance calculations can be selected. The overlays and computations can be changed. Select samples and uncheck boxes to show each individual sample. Assume data with two relevant annotations, treatment and gender. The order along the x-axis can be organized according to both annotations. To summarize, it's easy and fast to set up plots and easy and fast to configure them to your liking. To learn more, visit the Qlucore website.